Hey guys, Taylor with GammaEdge here, coming at you with a quick market status for Tuesday, March 21st. Here's our general disclaimer. Give this a read when you're done so. Let's get to it. Here first, starting off with the TQS model, continuation chop sideways. Really not a definite trend here. However, we do have our range of where bulls, we break out higher, bears break out lower. Right now, continued consolidation. So we do want to see kind of a definite move made one way or another, then follow through. Looking at filter tick, not a ton to say here, pretty flat, and new lows continue to outpace new highs. This is a consistent theme that we have seen over the last couple weeks. Looking at tick ARCX model, this is a bit of a different picture here. We have railroad tracks higher. Today's close was greater than yesterday's close. Paul will be talking about that tomorrow in the morning call. So here, pretty constructive in the short term. We do want to see a continuation higher for the bulls, and for the bears, again, that would look like a break of the railroad tracks higher and a resumption downwards. Last point, just on the tick models themselves, both longer term moving average ribbons are headed lower. So any move that we do see is kind of a bullish bounce in the context of a bearish downtrend. Moving on to the SPY Gamma dashboard from this morning. For SPX, make sure you're watching the morning call with Paul and Paul's notes that are pre-market in the Discord. However, hitting on the structure here, obviously I call it the trident, very obvious here. 380 is downside negative GEX, 385 and then 390. Transition zone right around 395. This is where we settled today. So very important that we see kind of what price action does around this level tomorrow. That's 0 GEX on our 5 p.m. run. You can see the complex is dominated by puts. So again, as Paul's mentioned many times, we do want to see the either removal of puts or addition of calls into the structure for the bulls, particularly out of the money call speculators. So something that we do want to keep an eye on in the coming days and the coming weeks, see if structure does somehow improve in the context of improving tick. Now, finishing with our price action from today. Let me get to here. We have our 10 a.m. run of the indexes, SPY. Pretty choppy movement. You could have caught a move off of negative GAC COTMP to open. However, very volatile opening range trade. Not something that I can do. Bit of hindsight quarterbacking there. Maybe you have edge trading that, but that's a very volatile move. Not something really I was interested in playing. You did have a rejection at 0 GEX 2 times and then kind of chopped just around 0 GEX. So maybe something to keep in mind next time if we do get a move like that, some kind of double top. However, tick was improving on tick ARCX, so that would have been a counter intraday trade. SPX, not a ton to say here. Really just the same move that we did see on SPY. And QQQ, P-Trans acted as a good supportive level, which that is something I'd be more interested in playing, just given the context of the ARCX tick that we did see. Good risk to reward plays. So those were the 3 indexes for you guys today. Just running on a couple individual stocks. We had Baba. Tick acted as a good kind of consolidation level in the morning. You can see the real volatility dampened down here. Then we got the breakout higher to P-Trans, 0 GEX to P-Trans move, classic move. Then from there, just mean reversion back down to 0 GEX. And lastly, looking at Netflix, just noting here the respect that we see of 0 GEX and P-Trans in the afternoon. You can see consolidation right around 0 GEX, nice tight range. Then move higher to P-Trans. That's a great textbook move here. You got that actually 2 times during the session, really, but the respected levels is just cool to see. Then we have Intel. I just want to highlight here the COTMP bounce hold. We see that quite often, particularly in the last couple of weeks. Just wanted to note that. That was a quick kind of V-bottom move. So in practice, if you take, in theory, that's a good trade in practice. Maybe tough to trade just because you're water falling down, but I did just want to highlight that. Now moving to this is our 5 p.m. run. What I mean by that is our best guess tomorrow till we get tomorrow's overnight updates, which we will be posting. Then obviously the bots go live when the market opens. So we have SPY really trading just between 0 GEX and COTMP. Potential trade is some kind of weakness in the morning, COTMP bounce, or we do get some kind of consolidation above 0 GEX and then a push towards P-trans, what I'd be looking for there is a break retest and then push higher to um, P-trans, SPX butting its head right up against 0 gex, and QQQ is not a ton to say here, quite a sniff from some P-trans. So Michael put out a great thread of, I don't know, 5 or 6 individual stocks in the voice channel. I've linked to it there. Be sure to check that out. And yeah, that's all I got for you guys tonight. So best of luck tomorrow. We'll be in the room all day tomorrow streaming, talking on voice. Hope to talk to you all then. Bye.